thanks for joining me. I want to share with you this really nice watercolor journal book that I found on Amazon. Really affordable. Bang for the buck. 30 pages, 300 GSM. You can use the front and the back. And the covers come in different colors. I picked this coffee color. It was the least expensive. And look at how thick these pages are. Really, really nice quality. So I'm going to do a quick little sketch with ink and watercolor. I'm going to start off with, I penciled out the sketch originally. So I did it on the front cover, and then I'm going to go over my sketch with a uni-ball ink pen, and then finish off with some watercolor. And then I'll use a uni-pasca for some little highlights. So here's my little sketch. getting close to the end here, and I just wanted to point out a few things. I'm going to finish off with some ink and put some people on the beach, blacken in some windows, a few little roof lines. Now this one here, this round shaped building in the background there, I wanted to point that out because it's really interesting. There was an architect in Florida that built these UFO-styled homes. I know of two, one in the Keys and Pensacola. I believe this image was taken in Pensacola. So when I saw that, I thought it was just so funny, and I had to point it out. Look it up. They're really interesting, and it's a really ingenious shape for a hurricane area, zoned hurricane area, because the wind would just blow right over it. And unfortunately, that did not take off. So there's only a couple of them. But yeah, added some birds in the sky. I'm going to do a few little highlights here and there with the Uni-Posca, put some waves in, a few little highlights on the buildings, just to make things pop a little bit. And then that's about it. So I hope you enjoyed this sketch. It was a lot of fun. I love this little um, journal. I highly recommend it. I'll leave a list of all the supplies I used and where you can purchase this journal in the description below. So I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope you find time to sketch. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, or comments. I'd love to hear from you. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Thank you for your time, and bye for now.